Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to be doing some Christmas inspired nails. Super easy and beginner friendly. I did go ahead and put a black Santa on my thumb, and I think it looks really cute. So if you guys want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using my McCart nails today, and these are coffin shaped nails. These are one of my favorites. I will have them linked below for you guys. So of course I'm going to go ahead and apply some top coat to the nails first. I am still using my IBD, not top coat, sorry, base coat. I'm still using my IBD. Please link any below that you guys have suggestions for. And you're going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. So the first polish I'm going to be using is by Gelish. It's in the color Tiger Blossom, which is one of my favorite reds. I've had this for a while now, and I don't know why I don't use it more often. I think it's a really good color, and I will try to link it below if it's still available. So I'm just applying this to the middle three fingers because I'm going to be doing like a candy cane design, and of course I want to just leave one of them all red because, you know, just to switch it up a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply two coats. I did only show you guys one coat, but I am doing two coats of each polish that I am using. So now it's time to start our Black Santa. I'm using Born Pretty's Better Tomorrow. And I'm just going to start by painting the whole nail brown. This is the nail I'm super excited about because I wanted to do a nail design that was beginner friendly because I'm a beginner and I think most of my subscribers are beginners as well. So this is what I came up with, and I think it's going to come out, well, it did. It came out really cute. So you're going to go ahead and cure that before you go in with the next polish. And now I'm going to be using my white Born Pretty polish because you guys know I like to have like that pop on the pinky finger. I just like when my pinky finger is one color. I don't know why. It's weird, but I'm going to be doing white, but it's not going to be a basic white. I'm going to make it pop later on in the video. Okay, so back to our Black Santa. Now we're going back in with that same red color, which is Gelish Tiger Blossom. And I'm going to begin to draw my Santa hat, which is actually really easy. I don't know why I thought this would be a lot harder than it was. But I'm just using my paintbrush, well, the brush that came with the polish, to paint the hat on. It's all going to come together, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and draw like the, what is it called? The part that holds the ball of the hat. I suck at explaining things, but I'm just using my Young and Nails brush to paint that on. You know, when the ball like droops over the face, giving you a little like side eye action. I suck, but that's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to go back and top coat my red nails because I am going to be going in and adding some white to them, and they do need to be top coated because you don't want the glitter to stick to the red. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so now that that's cured, I'm going to take my ring finger and my pointer finger, and I'm going to begin to draw the white stripes on there. Again, I'm trying to do like a candy cane design. I think I succeeded. Just a little time consuming, but yeah, you don't have to make it super neat. I'm just using my Young Nails brush, and I'm just painting some stripes. I'm not doing them straight across, and I'm not doing them diagonal either. I'm kind of just freestyling it because, again, you don't want it to look all uniform and then just looks like, you know, some stripes. You want it to look like a candy cane. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm just taking my time and drawing those on and just checking to make sure that the sides are neat as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really easy. While I'm doing that, I do want to go ahead and announce the giveaway winner to my last video, and I will have her on the screen. Thank you, Whitney, for entering my giveaway. I will go ahead and contact you on Instagram to get your information so I can send the prize over to you. And thank you to everyone else who also entered my giveaway. I just wish I could give to everyone, you know, but unfortunately, YouTube is not paying my bills right now. So I'm going to try to do every other video. That's the plan. So yeah, just stay tuned to my channel for more giveaways because they're only just going to get better. So yeah, thank you all so much for your support. And yeah, So these are what the nails look like. You don't want to cure them because we're going to go ahead and make it look kind of like snow, even though they're candy canes. So I'm going to be using my Young Nails Resolution Glitter, which is one of my favorites. So what I'm going to do is pretty much similar to what I did in my video with the textured nails. I'm just going to take that glitter and put it right into that wet polish. And the glitter is only going to stick to the white polish because you guys remember we did top coat and cure the red polish already. So that's what's going to give it like that candy cane snow effect. What does that even mean? I don't know. But you guys get what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I cover the entire nail so that we don't have any bald spots and we're not missing anything. And then once we're done, we're going to go ahead and cure that under the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so back to our black Santa. I'm pretty much going to do the same thing that I did on the last nail. I'm going to go in with my white gel polish and then I'm going to go ahead and cover it in glitter. So this is just going to be the fuzzy part of the Santa hat and it's going to have that sparkle to it as well. It just gives the nails just that, again, that extra pop that we all love, and it's really easy. And yeah, you guys know what a Santa hat looks like. So you don't want to go ahead and draw like a square. You want to give it like, little bumps and grooves so it looks more natural, more like a Santa hat. So I'm just, again, using my Young Nails brush that I love so much to draw that in. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in as well before we go ahead and put the glitter on top. And you guys let me know if you have any suggestions for some affordable gel polish, because I know I've said already that I've been born prettying you guys to death and I do want new gel polish, but the whole spending $15 on one polish thing, I'm just not with it anymore. I'm looking to maybe spend like a good $5, $6, $7, So yeah, let me know down below any good brands, because I know a few brands off the top of my head, but I think they're more in like the $12 range, and it gets a little pricey and starts to add up quick. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys have any suggestions. So before curing, I'm going to go back in with that same glitter from Young Nails, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right on top. Again, it's going to give it that nice shiny look. I'm mad because I feel like my camera didn't really pick up the beautifulness of this glitter, but I'm telling you guys, it's really pretty. I'm going to try to link it below. Just remember that you do have to log in on the Young Nails website, create an account in order to see the pricing. I get a lot of questions about that. Yes, so if you want to see pricing, go ahead and log in and create an account. It's free. So I'm going to go ahead and pretty much do the same thing to my white nail. I'm going to go ahead and top coat it, but I'm not going to cure it and put that glitter right on top. And I wanted to do a full set like this, you guys. When I tell you I was so obsessed with this white nail. I'm basic when it comes to like colors and stuff, but like that Rockstar nails that was around for a couple years ago. That's what this gave me. It was super pretty and the camera just didn't pick it up. So mad. But anyway, these are what the nails look like. I did go ahead and cure all of them, so I'm going to go ahead and take this brush and I'm going to go ahead and dust all of the powder off. And you guys can see how nice and textured and just how perfect this came out. So pretty. So these are the final nails, you guys. I am obsessed. Again, super easy and beginner friendly. Let me know down below any suggestions you guys have. I will be bringing back the acrylic videos. I just filmed one the other day. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.